This is a tutorial on how to solve the 2x2. Yay! Just kidding. This is an unboxing of Speedstacks Gen 4 timer from Speedcube Shop. There's also Lunar Lube in this, which I ordered, but I'm not going to review that today or whatever. So, open. Shing! Me have magical powers. Na 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 na. Speedstacks Gen 4 timer. Smaller than I expected. Aha! Very small. Come out. Come out. Ta-da! Yes. Now, that's this timer. What is this? I wonder. Okay, it's some lame stuff. G4 Pro Timer, WCA. That's the on button. We know. That's so obvious. Okay. Yeah, this is useless. Get out of here. I hate paper. The flying and air resistance and all that science stuff. So, here's the lube. Martian. Oh, you can't see it, but this is Martian. I'm not going to be reviewing that or anything. Ah, the Speedstacks timer. Okay. Ooh, plastic. I love plastic. So, this is the Speedstacks timer. Hopefully you can read and see that. This is actually not made for cubing. It's for stacking cups, but WCA uses it for cubing. So, okay, whatever. So now how do you turn this on? What? Come on. What? Okay, so I figured out the problem. Like, finally. It took me like an hour. Exaggeration. It needed batteries. I know, very hard to figure out. So now it actually works. See? Click the on button. The timer. So the basic thing for a Speedstacks timer is you have to put your hands on these, and in WCA, you can't do it like, wait, let me reset. You can't do it like this. You have to have your fingertips on it, okay? And so what you do, you hold it, you wait for the green light over here, then you drop it, you solve your cube, then you hit the time, you drop the cube on the mat, and then hit the timer, which ends your time. And yay, I just got a 1.688. I'm pro. Okay. So now, I'm going to do an actual solve. This is my math. Yes, it's a computer mouse, not pad, but whatever. Okay, so what? Hey, give me that 3x3. Okay, so here's my 3x3. I'm gonna scramble it up. Okay, and that is enough. Okay, and now inspect. So while I inspect the cube, okay. Oh, wait. So now, this normally would be covered in competition, but this is not a competition. So wait for the green light, and I start solving. Okay, it's kind of hard to do on camera. I might only get like not that good of a time. You gotta be kidding me. Seriously, V-perm? Okay, sorry about the fall, but yeah, I only got a 40-second solve. That's pretty bad for me. I usually average sub 30, but okay. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, there's another guy over there. So you know. And that is a Speedstacks timer for you. Okay, but there's this one thing you might be questioning about. What's the save button over here? And what's this thing? I don't know. Maybe I did actually need the manual. Let me go find it. Oh, wait. Oh, it's over here. Okay, nice. Okay, so it... Oh, come on! Okay, so... There's the on button, of course. That's so easy. We know whatever that picture stands for. The reset button, the on-off thing, the AA batteries, I know. This, and there's nothing on the back. Okay, so yes, this is useless. I'm gonna figure this out. So I'll use my 40-second bad time. I guess you just click save. What happened? Okay. Wait. Okay, whatever. I'll figure that out later. So, that is a Speedstacks timer. Goodbye. Now I want to do the 2x2 solve. Yeah, that goodbye was complete clickbait or whatever. Oh, wait, I forgot to reset. Okay, scramble up a 2x2. This won't be fast, okay? I'm not fast at 2x2. I don't practice 2x2. Wait for the green light and solve. I did this without inspection, so whatever. Oh. Oh my god. This is hard to do on camera. Okay, sorry. And I got a 15-second solve. That's kind of bad. Okay, whatever. And that's a Speedstacks timer for you. Now, if you want to buy one, this is from Speedcube Shop. Okay? But you can also buy from other stores like Cubicle, Daily Puzzles, Amazon, whatnot. This is not sponsored. By the way, this is not sponsored. Okay, whatever. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe for more funny videos like this one. Comment if you liked the video. Goodbye.